Hello foodies! Today I'll show you how to make a simple and delicious recipe using chicken and piri piri chilies. The recipe is called Spatchcock Piri Piri Chicken. For this recipe, I'll be using a 2 kg English Heritage Label Anglais chicken, which is an award-winning product. Let's cut the bag and get this lovely chicken out. We need to get the giblets bag out of the cavity. Now we need to cut out the spine of the chicken using a sturdy pair of scissors. You can use it for making chicken stock. Now I'll flatten out the chicken into a spatchcock shape. Just follow what I am doing here to make the spatchcock chicken. I'll need 1 whole garlic bulb, a handful of parsley leaves, smoked paprika, crushed piri piri chilies, coarse sea salt, red wine vinegar, and some extra virgin olive oil for this recipe. Put the garlic cloves and parsley in a mixer. Add salt according to your taste. Add 2.5 teaspoons of piri piri chilies. You can add more if you want. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. 2 to 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now run the mixer to blend everything together. Now we are going to add some olive oil into the mix and blend everything together. Now it's time to add our piri piri paste mix to the spatchcock chicken. Spoon the paste on the chicken, rub it in. Turn the chicken over and do the same on the other side too. You need to massage the chicken really well with the spice mix, like I'm doing here. Get some under the skin of the chicken too. Then put the chicken in a bag and marinate it overnight in the fridge. The next day, take it out 1 hour before cooking and bring it to room temperature. Put the chicken on a baking rack. Spread it out. Add some more olive oil to the chicken and brush it all over. Then put it in a preheated 200°C fan oven for 10 minutes and then reduce it to 190°C and cook for 40 minutes or till the chicken is done. After around 50 minutes, our spatchcock piri piri chicken is ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? I'll cut and show you just how juicy and moist the chicken is. Serve with some salad leaves, lemon wedges, and your favorite bread for a truly finger-licking chicken dinner. Spatchcock Piri Piri Chicken is a hassle-free, delicious chicken recipe. Using a good quality chicken will ensure you have a juicy chicken with a crispy and Moorish skin. Give it a try and enjoy.